speaking. So today we're showing you our trip in Nelson's Bay and winter sunshine, maybe climbing some mountains, and we're enjoying this break in Nelson's Bay, escaping Sydney. Any dangerous animals? So any dangerous animals?
Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Where did Bella go? Peekaboo.
Nap time.
What do you think?
What's that?
What's it? It's a good trip. It's a good.
Next up, we head towards Tomaree Head, where we're going to look at a bit of a challenging
What are
fight.
you doing right now?
Sugar.
Sugar loading.
Grandma's over there with baby Bella.
Good luck, Grandma.
Larry's off ahead there.
Wait, how are we going?
But just halfway.
Pretty much.
What?
Halfway to the stair bit.
Oh, dang it.
Sure, how we are?
Cool. So. Not a big whale, right? Yep.
Hello.
Made it to the top. Was it worth it, Maggie?
We head back down the mountain to see Bella and Grandma, have a coffee, ice cream, and then look if we can't find that island on low tide.
Go, Daddy.
I'm just doing this for fun.
Fun. Made it to the top without the knees. It's a fun carry downhill.
Oh no. Look, we both moved too much.
We've had 23 seconds. That's your 30 seconds. Hit it. Isabella. Ciao, ciao, ciao. Adventures.
Over here, and we're not halfway, but like nearly halfway across the road. Then they're walking over there, having a little date. And we're over here. Oh, it's actually pretty cool. There's like a seat here.
In a cool little Maui hut. Heading out to the island. See what we can find.
Why are there marlins here?
I got my marlin sleigh stick. Maggie's got a war paint on. Pretending to be Michael Jackson.
Dad's fishing already with the marlin.
Marlin Bay.
Marlin Bay. And then we're nearly there. What's up here? We don't know if it's going to be interesting or boring. Oh, we climbed that mountain! By the way, everybody, we climbed that mountain over there.
Yeah.
The pointy one. Wow.
Over on our far side, we can see where we walked up to yesterday. Now we're heading across the sandbar at low tide to an island on the far side of Fingal Bay. With our adventure crew in tow. The waters have parted.
But in the story, it's separate, but in the story, the water goes up.
Tails go up the sides.
What makes me feel alive. Nothing can stop me now. I feel alive. Nothing can stop me now. I feel alive.
Still in the other country.
Dad is still on the other side, but we made it.
Yeah!
Here comes Dad. Woo! This is magical. At an island to ourselves. Perfect way to another one. Ooh. That was amazing.
Because it looks like it's closing up. I'm getting worried because it looks like it's closing up.
Tim's hard at work trying to catch the salmon to cook up today.
Catch a salmon.
Ooh, that'd be nice.
Please, you don't have to, but please like and subscribe. What are you doing? Are you checking out your nails? Oh, look at these shells, guys.
Ready? Ready?
Oh, look at this. The clams are together. Clams. Fake names.
Nails.
Dad,
Like French chips.
Dad, I found one.
Oh, you found one.
I want to see if I can open it.
That's empty.
This is what you do when you're stuck on an island and you believe in God. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no, I'm stuck on an island. Oh, I know. Amen. Hi, hey, hum, hum, oopa. Pushy, pita, pita, ba. Dupi, dabi, gomanye, ngwa. Naman, me, kunye, manya. Ya, yo, yo, ni. Ibuday. Yeah! Oh, I'm stuck on the island again. Hum, 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 hum. Him, hum, 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 ha. Nami, nami, nama, nanu, na. Nama, ne, manu, na, ha. We need to go in the water. We're nearly there to the Moses walk. Over there. If you're not Catholic, then you don't know what that means. But anyway, it's a Moses walk. Well, it's really windy. And we have to leave because it was getting really rough and windy, and we have to go home to Bellaboo. And also, it was closing up here. See, it was like big earlier, like big, but now it's getting smaller. But it can get up to where I'm at now. Like a hill here. So it can get up to there. So, and it could get lower because look here. That's where the waves were shot, like, I think last night. So, all those kids out there, anyone that likes ASMR, I'll give you some ASMR. And the two adults having a date. They're having a date. While I'm just chilling here. And yeah, I don't know what to talk about, so just spitting out. Yes. Dad's fishing with this marlin. Yeah, I get scared. I forgot. Yeah, I forget a lot. So does my other friends. But here's the beach, the water. Yeah. Bye bye, stick. I miss you. Oh no, I need to stick it in the top. Actually, bye bye. Say bye, guys. Bye. It fits my pinky. No, my nail broke. My nail. It's me nail. It's me nail. Set fire to your hair. Focusing and glistening. Imagine all day. Use your hair. Use you as piranha bait. Some ways to D. Some ways to D. Some ways to D. Very dumb ways to D.